The winter session of Parliament concluded without any discussion on air pollution, even as Delhi and large parts of North India battled hazardous smog and dense fog, triggering widespread disruption and health concerns. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju blamed the opposition for stalling proceedings, alleging that Congress-led protests over the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin or VBGRAMG bill prevented the scheduled debate. Rijiju said members entered the well of the House, threw papers and disrupted business, asserting that the government was fully prepared for a discussion on pollution. Earlier, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had raised the issue and sought a debate on deteriorating air quality. The discussion was to be initiated by Priyanka Gandhi, but it never took place. During the 15 sittings, Parliament instead debated politically charged subjects such as 150 years of Vande Mataram and electoral reforms, while passing key legislations including the harnessing and advancement of nuclear energy for transforming India Shanti Bill, which allows privatization in nuclear energy. Meanwhile, the India Meteorological Department issued a red alert for Delhi as dense fog engulfed the Indo-Gangetic plains from Punjab to Bihar, reducing visibility to 0 meters in several cities. In the national capital, 79 flights were cancelled and over 230 delayed at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, which continued operations under C-83 conditions. Delhi Education Minister Ashish Sood announced that 10,000 classrooms would be equipped with air purifiers in the first phase and criticized the previous AAP government's odd-even scheme. Under GRAP Stage 4, the No PUC, No Fuel drive denied fuel to nearly 2,800 vehicles as the AQI remained very poor at 377, underscoring the crisis Parliament failed to debate.